Hello students, myself Suraj Singh, and today I am going to teach you a poem that is The Cold Within. This poem has been composed by Mr. James Patrick Kinney. In this poem, the poet tells us of a story where 6 people by chance had caught there in a bitter cold. 6 people were caught there in a bitter cold by chance. All these 6 people had their logs to keep themselves alive, to keep themselves warm, but none of them wished to use his log to keep the fire alive. What happened? Because of their feelinglessness, they all met an untimely death. And now, what happened? One of this group was a woman. By the way, by chance, she saw a black man and thought that the black man should not get help from her log. Means the lady thought that she should not use her log to keep the black man, to give the black man warmth. And second one was another man was that the group did not, another man thought, in simple language I am telling, another man thought that another person, the next person, the person sitting before him did not belong to the same group, same community. So he kept his log back. And then the next man, third person, saw across and found that the person sitting before him did not belong to his religious community, did not belong to his own church. That's why he also thought that he should not use his log to keep the person who belonged to the different community get the warmth from his own log. And in this way, the next one was third one. He was sitting in a tattered torn cloth, and he just pulled his clothes, and then thought that he should not help the lazy rich. He thinks that the rich people do not do anything, they get the benefit, and that's why he felt jealous of the rich and denied to help the rich man with his log. The rich man also thought that he would not help the poor. And then the next one was the black man took it in the sense of revenge. He thought tit for tat. He also decided that if these people are not helping me, why should I? And he denied to use his log there in the fire. Last man of the group also had his own mentality and refused to use. What the result was that they all died in untimely death. And this log in their hands was the proof of their sin. So the gist of the poem was that the person or the people, those who do wrong, they cause the biggest harm to themselves only, not to others. So let us come to the poem paragraph wise. I am going to explain the poem paragraph wise. Once upon 6 humans trapped by happenstance by chance, trapped, caught. So the poet says that once upon a time, by chance, 6 people were trapped, were caught there in the forest, in bleak and bitter cold. And it was a very unpleasant, very bitter cold it was. The weather was too cold, the writer says. Each one possessed means had. So each of them, each of these 6 people had a stick of wood in his hand, his or her hand, or so the story is told. So the writer says in the last line, the poet says in the last line, that in this way the story is told. The dying fire in the need of logs. The fire which was there, it was about to die, and it needed logs to be put into it. But the first one, who was a lady, the first among this group was a lady, and she refused to use her log back. Means she refused to use her log there in the fire. For because of the faces round the fire, she noticed one was black. Because this lady saw that among this group of 6 people, one of the persons was a black, means dark, having a dark skin. A man with, means there was a man having a dark skin. That's why, because of racism, the lady refused her to use her log to give the warmth to this black man. Next man, looking across the way. Cross means across. Next man just looked across the way, looked ahead, and saw and found one note of his church. Then he saw that a man in the group was not of his church, of his community, and could not bring himself to give the fire his stick of birch. So the man decided not to use his stick there in the fire. He thought that this fire would give warmth to this person who did not belong to his church, who did not belong to his own community. The third one sat in tattered clothes. The third one was sitting there in third man of the group was sitting in his torn clothes. It means his clothes were rough and tough and torn, and he seemed to be a very poor fellow. He gave his coat a hitch. He pulled his coat and fastened his coat tightly. Why should his log be put to use? Then he thought, why should he use his log to warm the idle rich? He thought that he should not use his log to put there in fire to give the warmth to the lazy rich. Now the next man was the rich man. The rich man just sat back. The rich man was sitting back and thought of the wealth he had in store. Means the rich man who was sitting back was thinking of his wealth only, which he had in store, which he had in his arm. How to keep what he had earned. But he was thinking that how to keep his wealth secure, safe, which he had earned from the lazy, shiftless poor. Means he was thinking how to keep his money safe from this lazy and shiftless poor. The black man's face bespoke revenge. The black man had the feeling of revenge. Means through his face, the black man showed the sign of revenge. As the fire passed from his sight, as he looked at the fire, he had the feeling of revenge in his heart. For all he saw in his stick of wood was a chance to spite the white. He had the stick in his hand, but He thought that it was a chance to dislike, to hate, to cause harm the white people. In the next stanza, the last man of this forlorn group, forlorn, lonely, single. The last man of this single group was did not means nothing. So he did not do anything except for gain. He thought that he would, if he if he does not get anything, he will not help anyone. Means he thought that he would do anything just for gain only, just for profit only. Giving only to those who gave was how he played the game. He thought that he would give only to those people who gave him something in return, and in this way he played his game. Last stanza is, their locks held tight in death's still hands. So what happened there? Because of their feelinglessness, because of their cold in their heart, they all met their untimely death. Was proof of human sin. They had the locks there in hands, and they all were dead. These locks in their dead hands was the symbol. These mean their locks in their dead hands were the symbol of their sins. They did not die from the cold without. Means the writer says, the poet says that they did not die from the cold outside. They died from the cold within. They died because they had the coldness, means emotionlessness, feelinglessness in their heart. In this way, all these people, all these 6 people, came to an end, means untimely end, because of their selfishness. So the lesson teaches us we should help someone to get the help. Thank you, children.